Look. Damn, this ain't bobble. Iced out. I ain't touching shit like it's hot. Then I had the sauce. Got the game in my pocket. I'm doing a big stepper while I stand on my wallet. I'm all in your ear kicking flavor. Double X flex on that cat. I'm her nigga. She ain't see me in a whole month. Had to slave. Made her bust it 3 or 4 times on the table. She like, who that knockin'? Showstopper, Big Papa, the boat rocks playing reason beat with bad bitches like no shocker. These co-signers and designer with no drama. Look, don't say too much. Word said cancel locked and don't play too much. 41 baddie signs 2 at the cookout, stomach hurt. Guess I fucked around and must've ate too much. Walked in the function, whole game look like Wu-Tang. Smell YSL too clean to the shoe street. Price on the beat, so the verse get true. Case of her, she love hit makers, let the whole crew bang. No punches in the sprinter like it's bars on wheels, no clicking up. My niggas squad too skill. Full price for the game. We true stars for real.